You have seen us run Blueprint engines in the past, and it's for good reason. They're well designed, reliable, and they're perfect for someone who wants to save the time that it takes to spec out and build their own. Last year, we helped build Factory 5's new 35 hot rod pickup, which was powered by the Blueprint 306 cubic inch small block Ford. It made 390 horsepower and 370 pound-feet of torque. In keeping with the hot rod theme, triple Strombergs delivered the fuel. They should run just fine. Carburetors scare a lot of people, but they're extremely simple to work on. This thing's going to run great. So. We fired it up, synced the carbs, and it ran like a top.
Well, Blueprint Engines is out of Kearney, Nebraska, and we're one of the world's best and foremost crate engine companies. Every engine that leaves our facility with an oil pan on it is dyno tested and ready to go. Even our long block engines that just come with the cylinder heads down, they're also dyno tested. And we really pride ourselves on that to make sure that every engine is perfect when a customer actually gets it in their hand.